In this video, we provide you with the do's and don'ts of cold emailing, as well as some tried and tested cold email templates so you can start using them without delay.
Build a database of relevant emails lists.
Cold email outreach campaigns are powerful as long as you collect a comprehensive database of email address list of your target audience. It's important to know that identifying and uncovering the right target audience for cold email outreach campaigns can considerably impact getting the best results. As such, you need a widespread, reliable, relevant database of your potential customer email list to run cold email campaigns successfully. We recommend using the best email finder tool, such as CU Finder or Hunter, to find the email addresses of the targeted audience. Now let's take a look at it. With CU Finder's prospect engine, you can quickly and easily grab complete and accurate information from your target leads, including email addresses, phone numbers, company names, LinkedIn profiles, and other social media profiles, and more data by entering filters such as location, industry, company size, etc.
Make sure your cold email isn't spam.
To prevent your cold emails from ending up in the spam folder, you can use email checker tools to test your email spamming and see how likely your cold emails are to be spammy. With the email tester website, you'll be able to check an email address that's entirely unique to you.
Keep it concise and understandable.
No one wants to read long emails. The longer and more wordy your cold emails are, the less likely they are to reach their intended target. Write your cold email in a short and sweet way so that's easy to read and the recipient can instantly review it. Please don't write your text one after the other, but divide it into parts to make it easier to read.
Use high-converting cold email templates.
Utilizing appropriate and standard cold email templates is suggested to save time and energy. If you want to send cold emails to a large number of your target audiences and make them personalized, you'll figure out that rewriting cold emails information will be very time-consuming and tedious. Hence, depending on the topic of your email campaigns, you'll have to use the right cold email templates to send. Make sure to subscribe CUF Academy for more tips and tricks video like this one.